Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, still working on our Christmas projects, and this time I brought out the Kiwi Lanes Cheer layout kit, and we're going to use a paper out of this. I was thinking of what other projects I can do, and I was thinking about gifts that we can give to people. Well, we've done treat bag holders and treat boxes, so I figured let's do something different this time. Let's give out something that everyone will love. I'm going to create a wallet card, if you will. Out of this, I already cut out papers. We have a cardstock here, which is 5 by 11. And I've also got some papers here. This is this paper measures 1 1/4 by 8 1/4. This paper here, I cut 2 of them. And this is a 4 by 3 1/4. And I did 2 like I had mentioned earlier. And this one is 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. Let's start working on our little wallet, and we're going to use our score pal again. From here, we're going to score at 2, at 6 1/4, and at 10 1/2. And then we're going to go on this side. We're going to do this at 3 1/2. Okay, and I want to bring this back here. From this point here, this is where we did the first 2 inch. We're going to score from this line down at 1/2 inch. So basically I just followed this a bit and then did that. So it was from this point down. Okay, put this on the side now and start folding. Let's start cutting our papers to create the wallet. The first thing we're going to do is from this point, I'm going to miter up this way where it meets the line here and the line here. Miter that, and then we're going to cut this out. And then I'm going to miter this a bit too. We're going to cut across and then cut this out, this square one here, leaving a 1/2 inch on this side. We're going to miter this too and miter this too. So do you guys see the wallet yet? There it is. This is our wallet. So there is going to be a hump that this fold needs to get over. So burnish that. We're going to have to adhere this to create the pocket. I decided to round the corners here, and this is my 1/2 inch corner rounder. Which means I have to corner round this one too. Okay, now it's time to wallpaper this. Here you go, and we're almost there, guys. And get inside. And then since we didn't fold this, let's try and fold it in so that it'll follow and won't buckle. And who doesn't want money as a gift? I mean, I'd rather receive money myself so I can buy whatever I want. So now the closure for this can go several ways. The first one is you can create a band to go across this. So I cut strip of cardstock here measuring 7.5 by 1 inch. And what I'm going to do is loosely fold it in, adhere it. The reason why I want it loose is so that it'll be easier to pull it in and out. Another way to also close it up, because it will open up like this, is to put Velcro in between in these two sides. And finally, another way you could do it too is put a twine right here and just make a ribbon or tie a knot on it like this, and then send it in the mail this way. The only thing that would be a downfall to this is that the knot's gonna be there and it's gonna be thicker. So this right here will also keep your wallet closed. I like the belly band idea better because it can lay flat when you send it out. And what you can do is either get a sticker or a die cut that you can place on top there and adhere it to the seam of the belly band like so. And there you guys go. A wallet card that you can open up. If you want to go ahead and write here your greetings. You can put your greeting on top of the belly band. And there you guys go. I hope you like this tutorial. This can be sent as a card. Put it in an A2 envelope. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating our little wallet. And if you have any questions or comments, please place them in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet, this is the best time to click on the subscribe button. And after you do that, please make sure you also click on the bell button to be notified of my uploads every Mondays and Thursdays every single week. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!